Greetings, in this video, I will illustrate the process of configuring D7 SMS for Nagios 11 to send SMS alerts for triggered issues and problems. To begin, you'll need to generate an API token from app.d7networks.com. Sign up at app.d7networks.com and verify your account using your mobile number. Then, go to API Tokens and click on Create Token. After creating the application, click on Generate Token. You'll need to add this token into the D7 SMS.py file, which we will download in the subsequent steps. Now, SSH into the Nagios 11 server and navigate to the plugins folder. Use the git command to download the D7 SMS Python script from the Git repository. Make the file executable. Open the file in your preferred text editor and replace your D7 token in the file with the token you generated earlier. Before proceeding, let's test the script using the following command. Remember to replace the destination number accordingly. Now, let's confirm that the message has been successfully processed. Now we need to add notification commands. Log into the NagiosXI dashboard and navigate to the following path: Configure, Core Config Manager, Commands, Add New. First, add the service notify by SMS command, and then add the host notify by SMS command as well. After completing the above steps, update the contact templates by navigating to Configure, Core Config Manager, Templates, Contact Templates. Click on Generic Contact or the template you are using. Then go to Alert Settings and select Manage Host Notification Command. Choose Host Notify by SMS and click on Add Selected. Next, click on Manage Service Notification Command. In the same window, select Service Notify by SMS, and click on Add Selected. To add contacts to the templates used, follow these steps. Navigate to Configure, Core Config Manager, Templates, Host Templates. Click on the template being used. Click on Alert Settings, Manage Contacts. Select and add your contact from the list, then click Add. Similarly, configure it for service templates. Click on Service Templates and select the template used. Navigate to Alert Settings, Manage Contacts. Select and add your contact from the list. Finally, save the configurations. The final configuration step is to add pager number. For that, navigate to Configure, Core Config Manager, Alerting, Contacts. Select your contact. Add the pager number and save. Apply all the changes and create a dummy alert to confirm that messages are being generated. Thank you.